Unit 5, Lesson 1 test. Number 1. The picture shows a scene from a campground. Which energy conversion is taking place in the picture? Hint, Step 1. Identify the type of energy stored in the wood. Step 2. Identify the type of energy represented by the fire. Step 3. Choose a statement below that correctly summarizes the type of energy conversion taking place. A. Chemical energy to thermal energy. B. Nuclear energy to chemical energy. C. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. D. Electromagnetic energy to chemical energy. Number 2. The figure below includes many natural resources. Which of the following resources is considered inexhaustible or will never run out? A. Minerals. B. Trees. C. Solar energy. D. Fossil fuels. Number 3. The picture shows a natural resource being transported. How might this resource be used as a material resource? A. The resource might be dropped into a landfill. B. The resource might be burned to release heat. C. The resource might be transformed into paper. D. The resource might be replanted to form new trees. Number 4. The turbine shown below is used to produce energy for human use. What type of energy conversion takes place in the turbine? A. Wind energy to produce electrical energy. B. Solar energy to produce mechanical energy. C. Thermal energy to produce chemical energy. D. Energy from moving water to produce mechanical energy. Number 5. Trees can be classified as different kinds of resources. Which of these statements gives a reason for classifying a tree as an energy resource? A. It is a renewable resource. B. It can be used to build a home. C. It can be burned to provide heat. D. It requires energy to grow a tree. Number 6. Coal is a natural resource. Why is coal considered non-renewable? A. Coal will never run out. B. No new coal is being produced on Earth. C. Coal is used to produce energy and not materials. D. Coal is being used faster than it is being produced. Number 7. A natural resource is best defined as any naturally occurring material that is which of the following? A. Used by people. B. Mined from earth. C. Unlimited in quantity. D. Left untouched in nature. Number 8. Which of these activities requires the use of a material resource? A. Heating a home. B. Manufacturing steel. C. Climbing a tall mountain. D. Generating an electrical current. Number 9. Which of the following statements best describes how natural resources benefit humans? A. Natural resources save us money. B. Natural resources help us to survive. C. Natural resources are readily available. D. Natural resources exist in nearly unlimited supplies. Number 10. Water flowing through turbines produces electricity in the hydroelectric plant shown below. Hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy. What source of energy renews the amount of water available to turn the turbines? Hint, Step 1. Recall the Earth's process related to the movement of water on the Earth's surface. 2. Recall the source of energy for this process and choose it from the list below. A. Solar energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Mechanical energy. D. Geothermal energy. Number 11. Which of the following would be considered a natural resource? A. Rock. B. Glass. C. Steel. D. Concrete. Number 12. Hydroelectric dams, like the ones shown below, are often used to produce electrical power. Which of the statements below best describes the role of the sun in this power system? A. Solar energy heats the water, causing it to produce electricity. B. Chemical energy from the sun reacts with the water to produce electricity. C. The sun creates gravity, which causes the water to flow through the dam and produce electricity. D. The sun powers the water cycle, which causes the water to move as vapor to higher elevations and then flow downhill. Number 13. Trees can be classified as different kinds of resources. If these logs were used for making paper, what kind of resource would they be? A. Material resource. B, renewable resource. C, endangered resource. D, non-renewable resource. Number 14. The chemical bonds in fuel are changed when the fuel is burned to move a car. What type of energy conversion is taking place in this example? A, kinetic to mechanical energy. B, chemical to potential energy. C, kinetic to hyperkinetic energy. D, mechanical to electrical energy. Number 15. Sometimes a renewable resource can be considered non-renewable because it is used up faster than it can be replenished. Which of the following choices is an example of this? A, coal supply increasing because it takes a few years to form. B, forests being cut down at a quicker rate than they can grow. C, solar energy being used to produce electricity to a home. D, water in streams replaced by rainfall from the atmosphere. Number 16. Which of the following natural resources is renewed by non-living processes? A, water. B, forests. C, wildlife. D, agricultural crops. Number 17. Why are fossils such rich sources of energy for humans, but rocks are not? A, rocks are too old to contain energy. B, rocks are too difficult to extract from Earth. C, fossil fuels containing energy-rich carbon from once living organisms. D, only golden rocks contain carbon-based energy from dead organisms. Number 18. As a part of a natural resource management plan, an apartment's owner wants to reduce the overall water usage. She plans to prepare a pamphlet to give to new renters with recommendations for conserving water. Which recommendations should she include that will help her renters to reduce water usage? A, by drinking water from the store. B, don't let the water run while brushing your teeth. C, bathe only in the afternoon while others are out. D, shower before entering the swimming pool. Number 19. Both fossil fuels and rocks are natural resources. How do these resources differ in how they are used by people? A, rocks can be burned for fuel. B, fossil fuels are used to build objects for human use. C, rocks are material resources and fossil fuels are energy resources. D, fossil fuels are an inexhaustible resource and rocks are a renewable resource. Number 20. Which of the following is an example of a way that a school can reduce the amount of electricity the school uses? A, install automatic faucets in the restrooms. B, recycle aluminum cans and plastic bottles in the cafeteria. C, turn off computers in the computer lab when they are not in use. D, collect waste food and create a compost pile for the school garden.